Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is just a quick one. Trying to get this set screw, it's an Allen set screw, out of this handle so that I can replace the cartridge inside, okay? It's an Allen and it got a little bit rounded out and it's a cheap Allen screw anyway. So I've got all the correct sizes, everything, and I could not get it to turn. So what I did was I took a Torx and I jammed it in there, and I'll be a son of a gun if I didn't get enough grip or traction on that to be able to get it out. So just a little trick when you're running out of different sizes of Allen wrenches and you've got all the correct sizes and you just can't get any grip on the screw. Try shoving a Torx in, because it's got all those little sharp edges, and the Torx might just do the trick like this one did. Okay, Froggy out. Let's see if I can give you a little close up there. That's a Torx. It's not focusing there, it focused. So that's a Torx. And those are some bigger Torx drivers, okay?